Every year around the city of San Antonio, there has been fire issues causing the breaks of people's lives and damaging property. Many of these could be avoided if we have a fire safety prevention plans in workplace. What you could do as a manager is to follow the laws relating to the fire safety prevention plans. My name is Lavetta Petty. Today I'm going to talk about the fire safety in workplace. In order to do that, we need to minimize the risks of fire, identify workplace fire hazard, we need to find areas of responsibility, provide trainings for employees, and put in place the process of safely implementing, executing fire safety prevention plans. First of all, we are going to look at how can we identify fire hazard in workplace. One area could be the electrical fire hazard, portable heaters, and also office fire hazards. We need to make sure that all worn wires be replaced. We should not use coal as a substitute for fire improvement. We should find a position and responsible person in order to take these tasks. We should avoid overloading office equipment. In addition to that, we can also do or provide plan implementation. We can have a plan to carry on these duties or responsibility. We can have practice a good housekeeping and maintenance. Employees should always take precautions. For example, like the doorways, the hallways, the stair, or other exits right in a time of fire. They should ensure that all heating units are safeguarded. That's very important, employees and manager. Fire detection, alarm system, and manager, you need to appoint somebody, responsible person, somebody who have the knowledge that can carry on this job. A person that will be able to report to you, that will be able to follow the laws or the rules. But to do this, we have to do training. We have to carry on training because most of the employees don't have knowledge how to prevent fire in workplace. We have to have a training. So supervisor or manager, you have to train your employees. about the fire hazards associated with the specific materials and processes to which they are exposed and with maintained documentation recorded. If you can do a research, you can find information to help you, to give you better knowledge, to be able to train your employees, because it's very important. On the other hand, employees, you have your part of responsibility. You have to be familiarized, you have to be familiar with fire prevention plans. You have to know it. You have to recognize potential fire hazards, employees. You have to respond and notify your manager or supervisor in the event of fire. You have let your supervisor know what went wrong so that they can fix the problem. And lastly, areas of responsibility. It's good to have areas of responsibility so that everybody can know what area they find themselves in that to help to prevent fire in workplaces or workplace. Management, you need to provide adequate control, provide a safety workplace. You need to have sufficient resources, sufficient materials to train your employees, to help them to save the life of people and to protect property. Support the fire prevention plans. It should be one of your key things. Have the support in it. Go for it, wanting it. You need to develop and administer company's fire prevention plans, manager. You need to find safety evacuation route in the time of emergency, manager. That's your responsibility. You need to find a place that everyone can pass, everyone can use. And you, employees, you need to complete your required training. That will help you a lot. Follow the emergency fire prevention plans. Work along with your manager to carry on these tasks. The guidance in it, the procedure, you need to do that in order to prevent fire in workplace. Lastly, with that being said, manager, at the end of this, you need to review your fire prevention plans. Either you can do it monthly or you can do it annually to see where you're standing, if you need to add or if you need to subtract in it. And some of the questions you can ask yourself is, has there been any changes? Do I need to make any changes since we started this process? Are there any improvements need to be made? Do I need to subtract? Do I need to add? Can I find a new way to do this? Do the fire prevention plan? And also, you have to let your employees report to you any problem or violation. Let your employees comfort you on that, so that you can have a safe working place for both your employees, your customer as well. thank you today, and I hope you can follow these fire prevention plans to help save the life of people and property in the city of San Antonio. Bye and have a good day.